Model 2017 Ford Ranger Limited 4X4 2.2 Tdci Euro 6 long MOT needs. Body grey 4x4. Mileage 105,357. MOT the 3rd of August 2024. Engine 2198 cc 2.2150 PS Tdci. Transmission 6-speed manual 4x4. Mechanical summary: starts perfect, runs perfect, turbo needs replacing, gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect, pulls in every gear, straightforward, simple turbo replacement, engine is perfect grin. Condition summary: bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Features: 1 former keeper, 2 keys, air con, sat-nav, parking sensors, reversing camera, cruise control, electric windows. EU status: Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.